Introduction. Java is a general-purpose, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. It is a popular choice for developing web applications, mobile applications, and enterprise software. This video will provide a comprehensive introduction to Java, covering the basics of the language, such as syntax, variables, data types, operators, and control flow statements. It will also cover some of the most popular Java libraries and frameworks, such as Spring Boot and React.js. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of the basics of Java and be well on your way to becoming a Java developer. What is Java? Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language that is used to create a wide variety of applications, including web applications, mobile applications, and enterprise software. Java is a popular choice for developers because it is relatively easy to learn, portable, and secure. Why learn Java? There are many reasons why you should learn Java, including 1. Java is a popular language, so there are a lot of resources available to help you learn it. 2. Java is used to develop a wide variety of applications, so you can use your skills to create a variety of projects. 3. Java is portable, so you can run your code on any platform that supports Java. 4. Java is secure, so you can be confident that your applications will be safe from attack. The basics of Java. This section will cover the basics of Java, such as syntax, variables, data types, operators, and control flow statements. Syntax. Java syntax is similar to other C-style languages, such as C++ and C#. Statements are terminated with a semicolon, and curly braces are used to group statements together. Variables. Variables are used to store data in Java. Variables can be declared with a data type and a name. For example, int my number equals 10. String my name equals John Doe. Data types. Java has a variety of data types, including 1. Integer, used to store whole numbers. 2. Floating point, used to store decimal numbers. 3. String, used to store text. 4. Boolean, used to store true or false values. Operators. Java has a variety of operators, including 1. Arithmetic operators, used to perform arithmetic operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. 2. Comparison operators, used to compare two values. 3. Logical operators, used to combine Boolean expressions. 4. Assignment operators, used to assign values to variables. Control flow statements. Java has a variety of control flow statements, such as 1. If statements, used to execute code if a condition is met. 2. Switch statements, used to execute code based on the value of a variable. 3. For loops, used to execute code a specific number of times. 4. While loops, used to execute code as long as a condition is met. Popular Java libraries and frameworks. There are a number of popular Java libraries and frameworks that you can use to develop your applications, including 1. Spring Boot, a popular framework for developing web applications. 2. React.js, a popular JavaScript framework for developing user interfaces. 3. HIBERNATE, a popular ORM framework for accessing databases. 4. Unit, a popular unit testing framework.